Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited to share with you guys my entire hair color routine that I'm going to divide into 3 videos. The first video is this one, which is dyeing my hair. The second one is applying extensions, and the third one is how I style my hair once extensions are added. But for this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I highlight my hair using a cap. I'm going for a lighter ash blonde hair using Redken Toners Chrome and Platinum. I absolutely love that combination. So if you're interested in seeing how I color my own hair to a lighter ash blonde, keep watching. First, I like to start by brushing my hair, making sure there's no knots or anything like that. Then I put on the cap and I make sure it's centered and tight. This can affect the way you pull the hair, so make sure you line it up correctly. Then I grab the needle that comes with the hat and I start pulling the hair through the circles. You can start by using the bigger circles for a half highlighted hair, or you can also do both for a full highlighted look. Normally this process takes anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour depending on how much hair you have and the amount of highlights you want. Once I'm done, I go ahead and I use a deep conditioner or coconut oil to protect my ends or any areas that need protection from breaking. I start by mixing equal amounts of 30 volume peroxide with blonde reinforcing bleach powder. This mixture is supposed to have more conditioning to protect your hair, so it's a double plus. Make sure you stir it well until you get a creamy consistency. Make sure you wear gloves because it can sting a little. Then with a hair dye brush, start applying the mixture starting from the roots down. Try to do this as fast as possible so the hair can develop evenly. Once you're finished, wrap your hair in foil or a plastic cap to retain the heat. Then if you want to speed up the bleaching process, you can use a blow dryer to apply more heat. This process should not take longer than 45 minutes to 50 minutes max. Make sure you check constantly to see the developing process. So this is it. So I'm gonna blow dry and see what the color looks like. I'm going to curl my hair, so I will be using my favorite hairstyling tool, this GHD straightener I absolutely love. I am pleased with the results, but I do wish the highlights were a pinch lighter. I was using the Blonde Me bleach powder for the first time, and this bleach powder has so much moisture, it's not as harsh on your hair, so you have to leave it longer. I do want my hair to be a little lighter, so I will be color correcting on my next video using foils. This is it, guys. This is the final result. I already curl and style my hair, and overall I'm very pleased with the color. My objective was to try to match the extensions and match really well. The blonde matches with the blonde from the extensions, so I'm really excited about this. So if you want to watch the video on how I apply the extensions, keep watching. Thanks again for watching. I hope that this helps and you get inspired to try this out on your own. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and follow. And also find me on Instagram. My username is Haute Instinct. And if you are interested in fashion and styling tips, you can visit and subscribe to my fashion blog, hauteinstinct.com. So thanks again for watching, and don't forget to watch the next video because I'm putting extensions. Alrighty, see you later. Bye!